Imagine yourself in this 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include ABS, passenger vanity mirror, floor mats, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, heated mirrors, and driver adjustable lumbar. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.